To find the most recent GSDML file for the BNI00HL, please visit balluff.com and use the search icon to find the block's webpage containing the datasheets, configuration manual, GSDML files, and much more. Here is how we utilize discrete I/O on the newest generation of BNI00HL. Let's delete the standard deactivated port slots. We will delete the deactivated placeholder for ports 0 through 3 and navigate to submodules IO-Link Digital I/O and double-click Digital Output in the hardware catalog. A queue address has been assigned. We need to set the port configuration by going to each port's properties, general, module parameters, and change the port configuration to DODO for pin 2, pin 4 behavior. It's time to test our configuration. Download the project and pull up the web page of the BNI00HL to view live feedback. After pulling up the watch table, you can edit the bits for the output bytes and observe the outputs on the block.